All right, this is a review of the Panasonic ear and nose hair trimmer for men. I'm Matthew Paul, and I help people make informed buying decisions based on products I have firsthand experience with. So, this is my Panasonic ear and nose hair trimmer for men. And I will tell you, it's the first one I've had, and it's super easy to use. I can't believe I didn't get it earlier. And it's super easy to clean. It's washable. So you can actually run it under the water. It basically just takes one AA battery and it lasts a super long time. So all you do is flip it on, and basically you just kind of run it around in your nose or in like the entry part of your ear, and it easily gets rid of whatever hair's there. It's super simple, super easy to use, super easy to clean. I highly recommend it. I think if you try this, you're probably going to be very happy you did.